If you regularly create Geniallys for the same class, team, organization, or brand, how many times have you looked up the same colors, reapplied the same fonts, and uploaded the same logo again? Those are design decisions you already made, so let's stop making them again. I'm James from Genially. Last time, I shared 3 shortcuts for customizing a template. This week, we're tackling the design decisions you shouldn't have to make over and over, whether you're working on one Genially, planning the next, or supporting an entire team. Let's look at creation colors, brand kit, and team templates. Before, you find a template with the structure you need, but it doesn't look like your class, organization, or brand. Now you're changing colors one element at a time, reformatting headings, and digging through your files for that logo. Let's genialize that. First, creation colors. Let's say the perfect template uses turquoise, pink, and yellow, but your school or company colors are blue, green, and gold. Instead of selecting every turquoise element individually, open the Styles section and update the creation's color palette. You can replace a palette color across the creation, test different combinations in seconds, and then fine-tune anything that still needs attention. Just remember to check the contrast and readability before publishing. That saves time on the creation you're working on right now. Next, brand kit. If your plan includes it, save the colors, text styles, logos, and visual assets you use repeatedly. Your colors and typography are ready when you start styling, and your approved logos and resources are already there when you need them. Creation colors restyle the Genially in front of you. Brand kit keeps your visual identity ready for the next one too. Finally, team templates. If your team regularly creates the same kind of lesson, training module, presentation, or report, stop rebuilding the same structure. Once you have a version that works, save it as a team template. Everyone can begin with the approved layout, styling, and recurring elements already in place. They replace the content instead of rebuilding the experience. That saves time across your entire team. So, look at the design work you repeat. Changing the same colors? Use creation colors. Reapplying the same visual identity? Set up brand kit. Recreating the same structure across a team? Make it a team template. Save your time for the content, interactions, and ideas that actually need it. Take what already works and genialize that. Follow me, GeniallyJames, in the official Genially accounts for more ways to create faster and engage your learners. See you next time.